Here in Central Texas, the hot and dry weather really taking a toll as we look ahead to tomorrow. High fire danger for Austin and eastern Travis County as well as for Fayette County. And unfortunately, I don't really have any relief in terms of rain in that forecast. Burn bans in effect from Burnett County, points off to the east. There were a few fires between yesterday and today, small ones, but any fires that start could really rapidly spread, so just be careful. The thing that we have on our side for tomorrow is winds should be light. What's not on our side is how dry it is, and that a reinforcing front is bringing even lower humidity tomorrow. Speaking of dry, 33 days in a row without measurable rain, but nowhere close to the record. Top of the list, number one, 65 days. That ended in August the 30th of 1993. Right now we're at 39th longest dry streak. As long as it is, we could be a lot worse off. Outside right now, 77 degrees. I gotta tell you, tomorrow when you wake up, it is going to be crisp, cool, comfy, courtesy of this. It's a backdoor cold front. It pushed in the last few hours. What it's doing is unfortunately deflecting Milton toward Florida. I'll have that track in just a moment. For the overnight, though, 62 degrees. It's going to feel amazing in the morning, perfect for anything outdoors. 60 in Burnett, 55 Lano, 56 in Bastrop. But dry air also heats up really readily, so I'm forecasting 95 tomorrow, 1 degree away from the record of 96 degrees. And here's how we get there. Already up to about 83 by noon and 90 degrees by 6 p.m. So across Central Texas, hot and dry. There is hope for a cold front that'll actually bring cooler air, but it's about a week away. Milton still a Category 5, 160-mile-per-hour winds, continuing to make that beeline toward Florida, but a subtle shift in the track might actually spare Tampa Bay the worst. Specifically, the latest track pushes it closer to Sarasota, just a little bit farther to the south, and we talk about the worst part of the storm being the dirty side of the storm, and that's going to be to the right of the track. Tampa's here, Sarasota's there, so we're hopeful that the worst case scenarios, because of the vulnerability here, might not happen. Still 10 to 15 foot storm surge expected, 10 to 15 inches of rain still expected, all the while we have no relief in terms of rain in the next 7 days, which I suppose is good if you have tickets to ACL weekend 2, where it's going to be hot but dry and luckily not too humid.